So in this problem says you launch a stone vertically up on the presence of gravitational field of the Earth, g being equal to 10 meters per second squared. If the initial speed was 20 meters per second, after 3 seconds, what will be the speed of the stone and in what direction is moving? So we know a couple of things. We know the initial velocity, 20 meters per second, the time given, 3 seconds, and they're asking us to find the final velocity. So the equation that we're going to use is called the free-falling equation, which goes like this. The final velocity is going to be equal to the initial velocity minus the gravitational force times the time. So in this case, I'm going to plug in what we know. The initial velocity 20 minus the gravitational force 10 meters per second times 3, which is the time given. And that should give us a value of 20 minus 30, which is negative 10 meters per second. Now the negative sign means that the object is going downwards. So in this case, when they're asking in the direction, is going in this the y direction. So I forgot to put in here final velocity of y direction, initial velocity of y direction, and that's the final answer.